Hi and welcome to our video of assignment for OS. This assignment is prepared by me, ADIB IRFAN, Muhammad AQIL, FAHIEM and IZZUDIN. I will be doing the question number 1, AQIL will be doing question number 3, FAHIEM will be doing question number 4 and IZZUDIN will be doing question number 2. To start things off with question number 1, first and foremost you will need to open up Oracle VirtualBox using and run as administrator. Here the run as administrator panel shows up, but I didn't get to record it. Now click on new and type up a name for your VirtualBox operating system. After you're done with the name, choose an ISO image, which we have downloaded the Windows 10 ISO image from our previous classes. So now I'll be choosing that. Okay, after that we are looking at the unattended installation. For this part, what you have to do is you have to just click on skip unattended installation, but I didn't do it here, so yeah, let's just keep it for now. Now we move over to hardware, and for the hardware, the base memory and processors, for me I will just let it be without changing anything. Now it will be the same for the hard disk. When we open up the hard disk, it will automatically put it as 50 gigabytes, so we don't have to change anything there. As you can see here, I can't click anything yet, so I will click the skip unattended installation part, and yeah, now we can finish it. After we finish on setting up the VirtualBox, click on start in order to start up the VirtualBox, in order for us to install our operating system in there. Now we will wait for the VirtualBox to start up. After waiting for some time on this Windows logo, you will finally be directed to a blue screen of Windows setup, as you can see here. Now I didn't change any languages or anything because it's the same as English United States, and click on install now, and we are waiting for the installation. Right over here it is showing us to enter a product key, but don't worry, if you do not have a product key, you can just click on I don't have a product key to bypass this. After that, it will show us a list of available operating system of Windows 10 that we can install. In my case, I will be using the Windows 10 Home, and click on next. Now is the rules and agreements part. What you have to do is just click on accept all rules and agreements, and then here is how would you want to install Windows. Only install Windows, and then it will say it will install on the allocated SATA drive, and just click on next. And now we are here. Now what we must do here is just wait for all of the installation steps above to finish. As you can see here, the installation is finished and it is saying Windows need to restart to continue. So you just have to wait until it restarts, and yeah, just wait. Now as you can see, our VirtualBox is restarting, and now we will see the Windows logo boot up just in a second. Yes, here it is. And now it's time for some more waiting. After some time of waiting, you will see this blue screen of just a moment, and then you will be taken over to Cortana, which is the Windows 10. If I'm not mistaken, it's like a Windows 10 AI for it. Yes, you can see here is Cortana, and there are a lot of steps that Cortana will take you through.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
And I will be skipping this. After you are done with Cortana and all of the what is the username that will be doing this and all that, it will be brought up to this Windows here, and yeah, it will be saying almost there, and we are almost ready to use the Windows. And here it is, the Windows are ready to be used, and the installation is complete without any failure. Now we will moving over to question 2 that's done by IZZUDIN, but I will be voicing over for the question. Okay, first and foremost, open up control panel. After opening up control panel, select on program, and after that select on program and features. Now we want to click on turn Windows features on or off. Now we will see there are already some of the Windows features that are on, but we will Turn off the window features for media, because out of all the Windows features that are already turned on, we think that the Windows feature that could be turned off is the media, because it is not that important for our academic use. After we are done with picking which Windows features to turn on or off, now click on OK in order for the changes to be applied. And after quite some time, as you can see here, it says that Windows features, Windows completed the requested changes. So that means we have turned Windows feature for media off.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Akil bin Muhammad Kamil, and I am solving the third question, which is command prompt. Okay, so the first question asks me to create a new file, and I am using MD as a command prompt, which is make directory. After it, we put a new name for a new file. And here I want to put kptm underscore bp. Okay, if you want to check whether it is success or not, use dir for viewing all the file. Okay, here we follow the order of the alphabet order, and mine is start with K, which is here. Okay, KPTM BP. The same, so it is success. And then the next question asks me to copy a current file to a new location. Okay, a new location, I want to use Adam file as a new location. Here, we need to use copy as a command prompt, and then put the file that you want to copy. And here I want to copy kptm underscore bp, and then the location, which is I choose Adam. Right, then we view Adam file to see whether it is success. So here the file in Adam file, here, so it is success. And then the question asks me for renaming the current file. Use run, which is rename, and then we put the file name first, and next to it we put a new name for the file. And here I want to put this enjoyable study. Okay, we check it. So it is here, enjoyable study. And there is no capital M underscore BP here. It is already changed to enjoyable study. And then it is asked me to deleting the unused file. So we use del to delete the file that I just created, enjoyable underscore study. Okay, and then we delete the directory. First we delete the file and then we delete the directory. Enjoyable study. Okay, we open the file again. Okay, so it is success to delete. There is no enjoyable study anymore. Okay, that's all for question 3.1. Next question, which is 3.2. The question asks me to check in the network. First, check the destination IP address. Use IP config. Okay, this is my IP address. And then the question asks me to display all current TCP/IP network configuration values. So we use ipconfig /all. So here all the current TCP/IP of network configuration values. And the last of the question 3.2, it is asked me to check the path to the destination IP address that user wants to reach. Here we need to use a traced command prompt, and then we use google.com. Okay, here it is. Okay, so here the trace complete, and that's all from me.
Alright, so the last of our task is to install and run an application by using command prompt. The question 4 is made by Fahim, but once again I will be voicing over for him. So first thing first, open up Google browser and search for an application that is essential, such as in this case we'll be downloading OneNote. Now, after we have searched for OneNote download, click on the download OneNote, which comes out on the top of our browsing list. Now, as you can see, we have been directed over to OneNote official website, and we can click on download to start the download progress. After the OneNote application is complete, we can proceed to set it up, and after we have done to set up and we can use it, now we will show you how to run the application using command prompt. So first thing first, what you must do is you must search for command prompt and open it up on your computer. And after the command prompt is open, we can use the command start and then application name in order to open up the application. So in this case, we'll be using the command start OneNote in order to run the OneNote application. And as you can see here, the OneNote application is being opened up and we are waiting for it to fully boot up. And as you can see here, the OneNote application opened successfully, and that marks the end of our recording for assignment 1 operating system. Thank you for watching.